In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the Phantom series. Inspect ductwork insulation and internal section for integrity. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Use the provided drain brush to clean out the internal drain line. Remove the side access panel. Check the drain pan, drain line, coil, and other areas of moisture accumulation for visible signs of biological growth. Perform condensate drain tests to verify proper drainage. Remove excess water out of internal drain pan after condensate drain test has been performed. Insert provided pan tablets into the drip tray. Reinstall the access panel. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the evaporator and condenser fans are running. Check controller probes for proper operation. Check PB1 and PB2 temperatures. Clean bottle probe by wiping it with a towel or rag and change the water inside the wine bottle. Check integrity of all panels on the equipment. Replace fasteners to ensure integrity and proper fit of equipment. Repair or replace damaged panels.